Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the Gmail Web Clipper extension for Chrome. This should work in Edge as well since Chrome extensions are supported in Edge. So what this allows you to do is go to a website and then actually save that web page into your Gmail inbox, and that way you could actually go back and check on it later or forward it out to somebody else, that type of thing. So once you get the extension page, you simply click on Add to Chrome and add the extension. And so it's added a envelope icon there to Chrome. And so the first time you do it, this has already been installed on this computer, you're going to be prompted to tie it to your Google account, and it's going to tell you what permissions it needs, such as accessing your email and deleting emails and that kind of thing. So just make sure that you approve of the permission it wants to use before you do it. Okay, so now that we have it installed here, let's go do a search, let's say for like an HP printer. Okay, let's say we wanted this guy here, we were interested in this. So all you need to do is go to your extensions here. If you want to pin it for easy access, you could do that. And then you have it here. Click on it, save to Gmail. It gives you a preview of what it's going to save here. Okay, so you either share it or view it in your Gmail box. So this is where, if you haven't tied it to your Gmail account, it's going to ask you to set it up the first time. So now if we go to our Gmail account here, you'll have a web clipper label. So you just click on that. And so here it is. So it took the information right from the web page. And then of course you could just keep it there for reference, or you could forward it on to somebody and that kind of thing. And then I have this one from earlier for this Samsung monitor, kept the images, and so on. And then in your Gmail, you'll notice it's going to put this Cloud HQ icon here. If you click on that, you can take it to your dashboard. So they have other apps, so it gives you an account when you subscribe here. You could do some sync and backup, sharing other apps for accounts. And so on. So you can see they have all these other apps that are related to this company here that you could try out for your Google products as well. So I'll probably try out some more of those in the future. So the ones that this account's using is the Gmail Web Clipper and the sync and backup. So those are installed, and then these are other options. Okay, so once again, I will put a link in the description for this. Just add it to your Chrome or Edge. And like I said, the first time you save a web page to your Gmail, it's going to want you to sign into your account that you want to use it with and give it permissions. Make sure you're okay with those permissions. And then you'll have this Gmail Web Clipper label, and then you'll have all your items there that you saved. And then, of course, you could just delete them if you don't want them, or forward them, print them out, whatever. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.